Hi everyone! Welcome sa channel ko. Ako pala si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. At today, pag-uusapan na natin yung kulminasyon ng trilogy natin ng Vivo Gold series. So kung di mo pa napanood, meron na tayong video ng Vivo Y35 at meron din akong video ng Vivo V25e. At ang finale natin para sa series na to is the Gold Vivo Y16. So this one is surprisingly the cheapest among the bunch na i-feature ko dito sa channel. So tingnan natin kung okay nga ba tong Vivo Y16 as a budget/entry-level phone. Tingnan muna natin yung quick unboxing. Alright, so yun yung quick unboxing natin. At tulad na sinabi ko sa Vivo Y35 na video ko, this one is not really a full review. Hindi po tayo magiging in-depth dito. This one is just a quick overview kung ano yung kakayahan nitong Vivo Y16. So this is the Drizzling Gold na colorway. Meron itong black, but this one, again, gold pa rin ang preference ko para sa entry-level phone na to. Dahil meron tayong parang brushed metal look/design na sobrang attractive para sa isang budget phone. And i-correct nyo lang ako sa comment section guys, but I think this is the most elegant looking na budget level phone na nakita ko na nasa 8,000 to 8,500 pesos yung presyo. Let's take a closer look sa camera module nitong Vivo Y16 dahil pag tiningnan nyo, kakaiba talaga siya. Yung camera bump niya hindi masyadong nakaangat and yung rectangular module niya, flat lang po sa surface, meron lang siyang kind of glossy finish. And then yung rings ng camera lens natin, ganun pa rin, may gold trimmings. And real talk lang guys, kung usapang design, angat na angat si Vivo talaga pagdating sa budget and mid-range design nila. Para sa akin, very eye-catching talaga yung ginawa nilang gold design sa mga phones nila for this year. And tulad na rin sa Y35 and V25e nila, meron ditong 2.5D na design dito sa display nila. Again, it only means na medyo nakaangat yung display niya, hindi talaga totally flat dito sa body ng phone. So makikita nyo yan dito. And nakakadagdag talaga siya sa depth and feel ng phone na to. But enough talk with the design. I'm pretty sure gets nyo naman na maganda talaga yung design ng Vivo Y16. So let's quickly check out the ports on this. So sa bottom part, meron tayong 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, USB-C charging port, and down-firing speaker. Sa right side naman, nandyan yung fingerprint scanner natin on top of the power button. We have volume rockers as well. On the top, meron tayong SIM card tray, dual SIM po, plus micro SD card slot. At sa bandang kaliwa naman, wala pong kaganapan, walang buttons or anything. Alright, so let's go to the performance naman ng phone na to. So Vivo would say na this one has a powerful performance, but let's temper our expectations. And I would say, para sa akin lang naman, modest yung ma-expect nyo na performance as well as the specs para sa Vivo Y16. So this one is powered by the Helio P35. So kung alam nyo na yung chipset na yan, ito po yung Antutu benchmark niya. Nasa 125,000 Antutu benchmark points lang po. So that's really a modest performance para sa isang budget range na phone. So you can expect na kung gagamitin nyo to as your daily driver na phone para lang sa social media browsing, internet browsing, video calls, or maybe even phone calls, okay na okay yung performance nito. But if you are gonna tax the performance by playing heavy games on this, you might want to look for something that's even more powerful than the P35 dahil kakapusin talaga kayo kung gusto nyo ng high graphics sa mga games nyo. Pero kung kaya nyo naman maglaro ng mga games like Mobile Legends casually na medyo mababa yung graphical settings or medyo mababa yung frame rates, you can definitely do that on the Y16. Now, sa usapang display naman, meron tong 6.51-inch IPS LCD, regular 60Hz refresh rate lang po, and Full HD Plus na resolution, which in normal terms means 720p display lang po. Now, it would have been preferable sana na naging Full HD resolution, But it is what it is. This is what we're getting sa budget level ng Vivo right now. Now, sa panonood naman ng video, hindi mo naman gaano mahalata na 720p lang yung display niya unless you look really closer. Dahil pag naka 1080p naman yung resolution, for instance, dito sa video sa YouTube, okay naman panoorin. Very sharp pa rin yung video. But yeah, mapapansin mo rin pala sa performance na pag nanonood kayo ng YouTube videos, medyo may kabagalan minsan yung response time niya. And that's because of the chipset. And kung manonood ka naman ng Netflix dito, SD resolution lang po yung makukuha natin dahil hindi pa nga full HD yung resolution dito sa Y16. And pagdating naman sa camera, meron tayong 13 megapixel main shooter and a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 5 megapixel selfie camera na unfortunately is still a water drop notch design. So ito po yung ilan sa mga camera samples na nakunan ko using the cameras on the Vivo Y16. Okay, so modesty aside naman, siguro dito pwedeng magyabang talaga si Y16 dahil meron tong 5,000 mAh na battery, which means you can play music approximately for 22 hours straight or you can game on this for 7 hours straight bago ma-drain talaga yung battery. So medyo mahaba-habang gamitan talaga yung pwede dito sa Y16 dahil na nga sa 5,000 mAh na battery niya. However, ang maximum charging capability nitong Y16 is only 10 watts. So medyo mahaba-habang paghihintay kung magcha-charge ka ng Y16 from 0 to 100%, aabutin ka ng lampas 2 hours dito. So what do you guys think about this Vivo Y16? Let me know your thoughts about this phone. And by the way, papamigay ko tong Vivo Y16 to one lucky winner. All you have to do is to comment and like this video. And abangan nyo, dapat nasa live stream kayo, nasa live chat kayo pag nag-pick tayo ng winner for this one. So para sa mga taga-subaybay talaga dito sa Pinoy Techdad, you know the drill. Alam nyong dapat nasa live stream kayo. And I'll be doing the live stream on Friday. This Friday. Okay? So abangan nyo po yan and I'll see you again in the next video. Kung gusto mo pang manood ng mga videos ko dito, meron po akong mga ililink dyan. I'm sure magugustuhan nyo yan lahat. So hanggang sa susunod, ako nga pala ulit si Janus ng Pinoy Techdad. Kita-kita ulit tayo.